Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing day. Today I am sharing the brand new Oriana fragrance by Parfum de Marly, and I am so excited because I actually haven't smelled it yet, so I will be doing an unboxing and sharing my first impressions along with a full review of the fragrance. It has taken everything out of me to not smell this, but I wanted this to be as authentic as possible, so I am really excited to share everything with you on camera. If you are already a fan of Parfum de Marly, or if you are interested in learning about more of their fragrances, I do have a few fragrance videos. I have my Delina collection with all 3 Delinas, and so I compare them and kind of just talk about all of the Delinas. And then I also have my Parfum de Marly feminine fragrance collection, which goes over the remaining fragrances. So if you want to check those out, I will leave links for you down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I am so excited. Okay, so first things first, the packaging. Oh my gosh, Parfum de Marly has the most beautiful packaging. The first thing that caught my attention was, of course, this beautiful fuchsia color. It is unbelievable. It is so pretty. So the box itself is really gorgeous. It has the beautiful Parfum de Marly logo right there, and then the name right here, Oriana. The packaging is pretty much the same as all of the other feminine fragrances, but they all have their own unique color. And then back here it just has a little blurb about Parfum de Marly, and it is made in France, in case you wanted to know. Okay, so let's go ahead and see it. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. So the inside of the box is padded with it's like velvet. It's so beautiful and so luxurious. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little hole up here for the top so that it stays in place, but it's all nice and protected. And then down here it has the same velvet, and it's really nice and smooth, and it just keeps the fragrance nice and protected. So the bottle is the same color as the box. It is so pretty. My first thought when I see this color is summertime or candy or something sweet like cake. It's just very girly, very feminine, very bright, bold, elegant, and still very sophisticated. So it's really interesting that a bright, bold color like this is done in such a refined and sophisticated way. The bottle design has the classically feminine Parfum de Marly touch. It has these really beautiful Baroque details on here, as well as some braided tassels in the same gorgeous fuchsia color. And then the top has this beautiful rounded metal lid that has the Parfum de Marly emblem on it, as well as a crystal in the gorgeous fuchsia color. And the finish on this bottle is matte. Before I do my smell test, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the fragrance. So this was included, and I think it very much embodies the fragrance because it does make me think of sweet treats or desserts or, you know, something of that sort. It says, Oriana, a floral, fruity, gourmand delicacy. A cloud of joy, a delicate and airy fragrance like a muslin dress. Nostalgic pleasure. A new elixir, an addictive world of indulgence. Sweet, tangy, unique, and irresistible. The top notes are mandarin, bergamot, and grapefruit. The middle notes are orange blossom, blackcurrant, and raspberry. The base notes are marshmallow, ambrette, chantilly cream, and musk. I am really intrigued with the marshmallow. I don't believe that I have any fragrances that have marshmallow as a note, so that's really interesting and exciting. A lot of these are very fruity, and yeah, I see a lot of fruits. Raspberry, orange blossom, grapefruit, mandarin. I feel like this is going to smell like summertime. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'm just going to spray it directly on my wrist because I don't have one of those little papers, but that's okay. And I probably shouldn't have worn a long sleeve, but that's okay too. Okay, so, oh my gosh. This is so exciting. Oh, that's so interesting. It's very fruity and very sweet. I don't smell a lot of florals though. And there's a note, but I can't quite figure out what it is. It might be the marshmallow. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow. Okay, this is beautiful. It's so feminine and flirty and elegant and fun and bold and bright and playful. It definitely does give me like summertime vibes, but I feel like this is a fragrance that can be worn for other times as well. I'm gonna do another spritz. So when I first smell it, okay, now I can smell a little bit of the florals. So it smells kind of fruity and florally, and then it seems like it dries down to a really sweet kind of musky smell, but it's still very fruity. It definitely gives me dessert vibes, kind of like Marie Antoinette. Oh, it's so nice. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful fragrance. So out of all the Parfum de Marly fragrances, Delina, of course, is my favorite. I really love Castle and Sudbury too. And this one, it's kind of like a cross. It's so interesting. I can't stop smelling it. I feel like when I walk outside and like go run my errands and do whatever, people are going to compliment this fragrance. Anytime I wear any of my Parfum de Marly fragrances, I always get compliments. People are like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. What are you wearing? I mean, it never fails every single time. This is another one of those fragrances. So it dries down to a really beautiful, sweet musk. And I love it so much. Oh my gosh, this is a new favorite. I really love it. So, like I said, spring, summertime would be really nice. I also think for fall, it would be really pretty. And it seems kind of like it would work for date night as well. Thalia, I feel like, is like the ultimate date night fragrance, but this is more like a fun date night, like mini golf or, you know, something like that where you're going on a date and it's like really fun and really exciting. Oh, it's so beautiful. It reminds me of walking into a bakery and seeing so many different sweet treats and fruits and florals everywhere, just consuming every inch of this little bakery. That's how I imagine this to be. And it's just so happy and colorful and light and airy. And I don't know, it's just like, in my vision, it's like the most beautiful place. And wow, I am so in love with this one. It is just seriously the most beautiful thing. I cannot stop smelling my wrist. It's so beautiful. You know, it's really interesting because Parfum de Marly has this really unique way of, number one, building these incredible fragrances. This is unlike anything I have ever smelled, and I have a very large perfume collection, and it's so different than anything, and it has such a mix of things, and I feel like all of their fragrances are so complex and they're constantly changing, and so you just really never know what's coming next, and I find that really exciting. And they also have this incredible way with their design, how their bottles and the colors just perfectly match the energy of the fragrance. looking at this bottle, I come up with the same keywords that I do when I smell it. And it's just fun and vibrant and flirty and girly, and it's so many things wrapped into one, and it is really, really done in a beautiful way. And sometimes bright colors can come off as juvenile or, you know, whatever. Personally, I'm a fan of color. And I really think that they made a smart decision with this because they did it in a way that is so elegant and so elevated and so sophisticated. And sometimes it can be hard to do that with bright colors and with sweet fragrances. And I think they did a really great job. So if you have not smelled this yet, oh my gosh, you are in for a treat. I love it so much. I can't stop smelling myself, and oh my gosh, I love this one so much. Highly recommend. Actually, I highly recommend any of them, but if you really like sweet fragrances that have like a really cute girly feel, you will love this one. Definitely check it out. Okay, so I think that's it. I really like this one, and I will update you with a blog post below with the longevity so that I can go into more detail about how long it lasts on me. I find that most of them usually last all day. There are some that last a little less than that, but yeah, I will update you. Okay, I hope that you loved this video, and if you would love to see my entire fragrance collection, I will leave that video for you below and up here, so make sure to check it out. And of course, be sure to check out the rest of my Parfums de Marly collection. I can do like a ranking video if you would like that. Just let me know in the comments. And yeah, leave a comment for me below letting me know what kind of fragrances you like. Do you like sweet, floral, fruity? I would love to know. I love all of the above. I'm not picky. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and if you would like to see even more girly content, please make sure to check out my blog, lizzieinlace.com, and my pretty pink Instagram at lizzieinlace. I will see you guys later. Bye!